Hi, I'm Stephanie with WTI, and Geologie's nighttime cream has been perfect for my nighttime skincare routine. What I appreciate about all of the Geologie products, including this nighttime cream, is that it tells you very clear instructions for how to use it. And so this one is to just have one pump every night. And so as you see, a pump is exactly what you need. I started off using it every other night, but now I'm using it nightly. And it absorbs in the skin really quickly. So even though it's a thicker cream than the day cream, it still doesn't feel overly heavy or oily. It really gets into your skin. And every night before I go to sleep and after I use the Geologie's face wash and the eye cream, I go ahead and put this night cream on as a part of like a whole skincare regimen. And I really feel like I've noticed that my skin has been looking fresher. It's been looking more supple. My pores are a little smaller too, so it's been really worth it for me. I've really enjoyed this product. So if you're looking to upgrade your nighttime skincare routine, go ahead and try out Geologie's products, but that's just my point of view.